Namaste. I'm Samta Aunty, the founder and CEO of Virtual Preschool, where children learn Hindi through English. Many children of Indian heritage that are growing up in the US, Canada, and other countries understand some or even a lot of Hindi. But when it comes to speaking, they struggle. So in this lesson, we are going to start with one of the most basic phrases anyone could learn. What is your name? We're going to learn how to ask this question and how to answer it, and how to say all of this in Hindi. And today we're going to get some help from our superhero friends to make it fun. First, let's learn the phrases. To ask, what is your name in Hindi? We say, Aapka naam kya hai? Aapka naam kya hai? I'm going to say it again slowly and repeat after me. Aapka naam kya hai? One more time. Aapka naam kya hai? And if we translate word for word into English, it translates to your name, what is? Now that sounds silly, right? But that's because the order of the words in Hindi is not the same as the order of the words in English. Let me say that again. The order of the words in Hindi is not the same as English. So we say, Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? Now, to answer this question, we say, Mera naam Samta hai. My name is Samta. Mera naam Samta hai. Now you would say whatever your name is. Instead of Samta, you would say whatever your name is. Mera naam Sandeep hai. Mera naam Aman hai. Mera naam Anchal hai. Mera naam Sahana hai. So whatever your name is, you fill in the blank. Mera naam, fill in the blank, hai. All right? So if we translate that, Mera naam Samta hai, it becomes my name Samta is. And again, that sounds silly, right? But that's because the order of the words in English and Hindi is not the same. So I say Mera naam Samta hai. Now that you have learned how to ask the question, what is your name, and how to answer it, let's practice with our superhero friends. Aapka naam kya hai? Mera naam Batman hai. My name is Batman. Aapka naam kya hai? Mera naam Wonder Woman hai. My name is Wonder Woman. Aapka naam kya hai? Mera naam Spider-Man hai. My name is Spider-Man. Aapka naam kya hai? Mera naam Hermione Granger hai. My name is Hermione Granger. Aapka naam kya hai? Mera naam Superman hai. My name is Superman. Aapka naam kya hai? Mera naam Thor hai. My name is Thor. Aapka naam kya hai? Mera naam Black Widow hai. My name is Black Widow. Aapka naam kya hai? Mera naam Iron Man hai. My name is Iron Man. Aapka naam kya hai? Mera naam Hawkeye hai. My name is Hawkeye. Aapka naam kya hai? Mera naam Captain America hai. My name is Captain America. So now, by repeating this over and over, I hope you understand how to ask the question, what is your name? And how to answer it. My name is, fill in the blank. So again, let's review. To say, what is your name? To ask someone that question, you say, Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? And to answer, Mera naam, fill in the blank, hai. Mera naam Samta hai. My name is Samta. Or Mera naam Hermione Granger hai. Mera naam Wonder Woman hai. Mera naam Black Widow hai. Mera naam Captain America hai. Mera naam Batman hai. Okay? So now, whenever you are in a situation where somebody asks you that, you should be able to answer it. And you should also be able to ask other people, what is your name? Aapka naam kya hai? All right? So balle balle for doing great work. Dhanyavad for listening. Keep practicing. And if you're interested in Hindi classes, please visit our website, virtualpreschool.com. Alvida.